Okay, then for more specific, I posted here our single line diagram, which is figure 3, and then the external diagram, which is the hookup drawing, which is figure 6. So I put it here, posted beside the control panel. So our control panel, we have a genset line 1 and neutral 220 volts. This is a voltmeter for the output of the generator, and the other voltmeter is a 3-piece 380 volt AC. We have also a digital indicator with this the drive motor current through, and there's a kilowatt hour and watts hour. So first, when we put the external power plug in, the external power Sibico will light on, and then when we start the first inverter, the inverter run will light on, and in the second inverter, this will be light on, and then the fan motor, if we start the fan motor, this one will light on. And also for the load, which is in the basketball court lighting, we have an indicator also, and the in-house lighting one, we have also indicator, and the genset in-house lighting 4 is also indicating. So this is the internal circuit of our control panel, in electrical and control instrument control panel. So we have 6 contactors, which is KM1, KM2, KM3, KM4, KM5, and KM6. And we have 3 single phase circuit breaker and 1 3-piece 380 volts for the generator. And we have 2 variable frequency drive. First is the starting motor, which is coming from the external power of the utility provider. And then the second is for the power by itself, which is coming from the generator to be recycled. So we will start. We are using only the plug. When we plug this one in the outlet, the power will be, this one is already light on, so meaning there's already power coming from the external power. So we have to on the circuit breaker number 1 to power up the circuit, the variable frequency drive. Okay, so I adjust this one, and you can see the you on first the press inverter. Okay, so the motor now is running. You focus first this one. Okay. So the voltage now is 220 volts and 380 volts. So meaning there's already an output from the generator. So we have to run the fan motor. So the fan motor is running. You can see here. Okay. So there's already power from the generator 220 volts, so we will on this one. So there's already a power from the variable frequency drive number 2. So we will wait until it will synchronize for the 80% set point, and we will have to change over. The generator will take over the power from the external power. Okay, hold on na. Oh. So we have to change over. Okay. So now the inverter number 1 is off. So we have to take it out, this one. So no more No more power from the, it is goes to zero. So it will take 10 seconds to off. Now it's already off, meaning that the power is really take over from the motor. Okay, now it is running. It is running. So there's a loader which is 6.4 amperes, which is 1.36 kilowatts and 1.7 kilowatts. So this is the power now. So to shut off the system, we just only simply stop the second inverter and all will stop. So no more power. This one is zero. So it will take 10 seconds to shut off. So no more. That's only the simple operation of our innovation. Okay, me, you set into